this video, we will talk about the terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals. Now, whenever a given fraction is converted to equivalent decimal number, either of the two things happen. It either terminates or it does not terminate but repeats. For example, when 1 by 4 is converted to its corresponding or equivalent decimal number, it terminates. So we get the decimal equivalent as 0.25. Thus, it is an example of terminating decimal as it has finite number of digits after the decimal point. Let's take another example. When 1 by 3 is converted to its equivalent decimal number, it is 0.333 and so on. So basically, it does not terminate, but it repeats. Hence, it is an example of non-terminating repeating decimals as it has finite number of digits after the decimal points. Sorry, it has infinite number of digits after the decimal point. Hence, terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals, they are also classified as rational number, because rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of x by y, where x and y are integers and y is never equals to 0. So we have observed already that these terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals, they can be converted to the fraction form also. So hope this video is clear. Alright, here you find the conversion chart for common fractions, their decimal equivalents and percentage equivalents. And let me tell you, it's worth to memorize this chart because it's really going to help you on your test day. Right. Now let's convert the following decimal number to its equivalent fraction form. So we have a decimal number 28.777 and so on. We know that it is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. Now if it is a non-terminating and repeating decimal, so definitely this number can be converted to its fraction form. So let's start here. So now we can write this 28.777 as 28 as a whole number here plus 0.7777. Okay, now 28 plus, let's take 7 common. So, and I can multiply this with 0.1111 and so on. Now 28 plus 7. Now can you tell me the 0.111, this is equivalent to what? That's given in the conversion chart. Go back and check it out. So 0.111, that's equivalent to 1 by 9. So here you can write it as 28 plus 7 into 1 by 9. Now this is 28 plus 7 by 9. Now we can also write it as 28 7 by 9. Now these two are equal. We have already discussed this in the fraction lesson. And this is known as mixed number. We have discussed all this in the fraction class. Okay, now 28 7 by 9, now which gives us 28. Now we will convert it to the improper fraction. So 28 into 9, that is 252. 252 plus 7, that's 259 over 9. So the corresponding fraction equivalent of 28.777 is 259 over 9. Okay, so are you excited to do few more practice questions on convergence using the conversion chart? So here are your questions.